Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're gonna show you how to work from home this 2021. And the things that you're gonna need for this type of business is going to be, of course, a computer. We got the Asus laptop. So you can use a laptop for this type of business. And you're gonna need a vector image software. We got CorelDRAW X6. And of course, you're gonna need a vinyl cutter. We got the Graphtec CE6060, or you can get a cheaper one. They have ones for like $500–600. And of course, you're gonna need a lot of vinyl. We use Oracle 651 vinyl mainly. And you're gonna need some tape. We use the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75. First of all, make sure that the vinyl is straight. You see the little lines right here? Make sure it's straight like that. And pull it to the front. And then lock it. And then send it to the back. This way you're gonna avoid wasting vinyl. Okay, what we're about to do, we're gonna weed out the vinyl. That's taking out all the extra material. And like usual, we put some weeding boxes around the letters and the numbers. And you'll see what I mean by that in just a second. You're about to see how easy it is to weed out. And we're gonna show you the installation. Hopefully this video won't be too long. Okay, and the numbers, usually you start from left to right, just the way they are doing it. And the letters, usually from right to left. This is a great business idea if you want to work from home. As you guys can see, we got all the equipment inside the house, and you don't really need that much room to have the equipment. Okay, we're gonna put the tape on top of the vinyl. The tape that we use again is the Clear Choice AT75. And the links are gonna be in the description of the video to get squeegees and stuff like that if you want to support our channel. Okay, before we install the decals, make sure you clean the surface really good. And we have this solution right here as Rapid Tag. And this one's good to clean the surface. And you can also use it to apply different layers of vinyls. All right, guys, we're getting ready to install the stickers. We're gonna use several tools. And one of them is gonna be the magnets. So you can reposition the sticker just like that. Move it around. We're also gonna use a cutting knife. Okay, we got the sticker where we want it. Now we're gonna install it. We're gonna use a huge tape across from the sticker, just like that. Make sure that you leave the magnets holding the sticker. And we're gonna do it, put enough pressure and do it evenly from side to side. Okay, now we're gonna apply the part of the logo, and we're gonna use the solution that I talked to you about earlier, Rapid Tag. And it only takes a few minutes for it to dry out, so don't be scared to use it. We can squeegee all the Rapid Tag out just like that. And it does prevent the sticker from staying on the surface right away. That's the reason we use it, in case we need to reposition it. Temperature right now is like 60 degrees probably. It's not hot or cold. And just like that. And we're gonna do the same thing with this part of the design. Basically the same process and everything. All right, guys, we are finished with this part of the logo. We're gonna do the same thing, basically same steps. So I don't wanna make this video too long, but basically repeat everything and we'll show you how it looks after we finish everything. Okay, this is a great idea to start a business from home. And as you can see, this is what we did. We put a logo on the back, and then let me show you the sides. And again, each square foot of vinyl is so cheap. It's like, I would say like 50 cents, depends on how much you get. But I would say like in between like 50, 60 cents, and the profits are really big. So you should consider starting this type of business. And there are gonna be some links in the description so you can get all the equipment and materials. Thank you so much for your support, and don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and share our videos. And we'll see you until the next time.